It's Friday, and you know what that means. Let's do a little bit of sewing chat. I'm Madi with Madi Sews, and thanks for hanging with me, you all. So today's going to be a bit more of an informal chat where we get to talk about the things that I've been working on. And to tell you the truth, it's primarily been Project Dress-A-Girl. So I'm going to tell you about all of that stuff, give you an update on the dresses, and then I want to tell you about my sorority box. I haven't opened this yet. I just got this out the mailbox, so I thought we can open it together. And then later, I'll just give you an update on what's going on in life in general. Friday Sews was created by Jen over at Today in Jen's Sewing Room. I'm going to link to her in the description box below, so make sure that you check her out. And I guess let's just get right into the Project Dress-A-Girl update. So you all have just blown my mind. Can I say that? Because we went into this month with a goal of making 100 dresses, and you guys knocked that out the park last week, I believe. Maybe, yeah, it had to be about last week, early last week. We hit 100 dresses, and you all, these dresses are really starting to come in. I've been walking to the post office every day during my lunch break. It's a little less than a mile away, and every day this week, I've been leaving with an arm full of packages, and it's been so amazing. I mean, you all, happy mail is amazing, right? Like when I get sewing supplies in the mail, I'm happy. I'm happy with packages in general, but these dresses, I literally danced down the street and embarrassed the heck out of my husband because he's like, stop. People are going to think you stole packages. And when I do open up these packages, I mean, these dresses are so beautiful. Behind me, you can actually see the dresses that I picked up today during my lunch break. And I have to sew on all of the little labels and stuff onto them. So I've got little labels pinned to them, and I'm going to knock them out today. But check them all out! What's actually really exciting about just kind of looking at the dresses like this is that not only were they made with lots of love and just, well wishes for children, but I can see the different dress patterns that people are using. So there are plenty of dresses, for example, that Elisa had made from Thoughtful Creativity. Lots of people are using her beautiful little pattern to make dresses, and there's several of them in here. And then I also see the Sidena Patterns dress right here, these beautiful red ones that came in. That one has a little dog pocket. Oh, let me just get it for you because it's so cute. Look at those pockets. I mean, come on. And then I really do love the little ribbon ties around the shoulder. Part of me really wanted to kind of save all of these packages that I've been getting and just open them all at once, maybe even do a live with you all and, show all of the dresses as I'm seeing them. But I'm just way too excited to do that. I mean, I'm that girl who's under the Christmas tree shaking the boxes and like poking around in the bags. There's no way that I'm going to be able to not look and see what's inside the packages that you all are sending me, especially when I know that they're beautiful little dresses. I can't do it. No. And some of the sweetest things that I found in these packages were actually the little notes that people have been leaving for me. And in fact, I have them all like tacked onto my inspiration board. Just because you guys really make me feel so special. And thank you from the bottom of my heart for the dresses. Thank you for the kind words. Thank you for the wonderful emails. Thank you for the pictures. We are almost at the finish line here. We are going until September 30th, so you have until September 30th to sew up your dresses and send me pictures either on Instagram using hashtag ProjectDressAGirl and tag me at Madi Sews for Curves, or send me an email with your pictures. and then get those dresses in the mail that first week of October. Easy peasy, right? By the way, this Sunday from 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm going to be doing another one of the Project Dress-A-Girl sew-in chats. So if you want to join in on that, there's plenty of seats available. So just send me a quick message and let me know, so that way I can send you a link to join on that one. We'll be making dresses, we'll be chatting, answering questions, doing all of that fun stuff. There's still seats available. Let me know if you want to join. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to be linking to Kim Gaddy's video of her dresses. So she's going to tell you all about her dresses and why she got involved in the project. So make sure that you stay until the end for that. Now let's get into what's inside my box here. I can't believe that I haven't dug into this thing yet. So if you're not familiar with the Sewrority box, it's something that Monica from That's So Monica did with some of her friends as a way to kind of build community and, you know, like have like some kind of like sisterhood around sewing. And, you know, I've never really considered myself a joiner, but I really, when it comes to sewing, I don't know, there's just something that gets me every time. Okay, so let me show you what's in here. So we have, well, actually I already took out all of this stuff. So there were a bunch of postcards and there were 2 stickers in here. I'll probably stick those to my sewing machine cover, my brother one. And then look, there's this little pin that came in there as well. Really loving it. Now, I got to choose the box that I wanted. And so I made sure that I chose one that had a little coffee mug in it, or coffee cup, or I don't know what you call this, a tumbler. I really wanted this for my coffee, my iced coffees, my hot coffees, all of that good stuff. And it has, well, you guys have seen cups. I don't know why I'm showing you that. There is a t-shirt. So this is one of the things that I really like about this initiative, and actually this box, is that it's really kind of inclusive across the board. I mean, when I look at this picture, I kind of see myself in her. I mean, if her hair were a little shorter and blonder, perhaps. But look at how amazing she looks. And I'm wondering if you guys can see yourselves in one of these women as well. But how cool is that? There's also this patch. I'm not sure I'll use that. Hey, and then I got a tote bag with all of those really beautiful ladies on it. It says, sewing is a thread that brings us together. Isn't that sweet? You all, I'm really excited about this. Hang on, I'm gonna go put on my shirt. I just love it, I really do. So that's all of my Sewrority box stuff that I'm really excited about. And honestly, I think it's kind of, I don't know, it feels a little bit weird to belong to something like this, but it feels kind of exciting at the same time. As far as the sewing front goes, this week I primarily have been sewing pockets and labels onto all of these dresses. And I assume that that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of weeks, to tell you the truth. And quite honestly, like, since I'm going to be receiving dresses into October, I'm assuming that I'll be doing it well into October. Something that I actually need to do is I have a tester garment for lowland kids that I need to crank out, and that's actually for my son. It's a really cute pair of joggers, so I'm excited about that. And since it's small, I should be able to get that done this afternoon and get some test pictures in. So that is due tomorrow, and I am like working up against the deadline here. So I'll definitely get that one done, because I hate missing a deadline. Do you all feel like that? Let's talk a little bit about life. So you all, I have been so really tired lately, and really it's just because I'm up late filming and editing videos. I mean, I wish that I had given myself a little more time to create videos so that way they were a higher quality. But it is what it is. So I'm doing that. Add on the fact that I'm trying to keep count of everything that's coming in, and I've been adding pictures to collages and stuff like that. I mean, it's been quite a bit of stuff. So I guess with all of that being said, if you've sent me a message and I haven't responded, or you posted a picture and I didn't give you a like or say anything, please bring it to my attention again. I hate for anything to slip through the cracks, but I mean, it is a possibility. So, you know, just kind of like ping me again, like, hey, Marty, did you see my picture? I'd really appreciate it, actually. I have to say that this dress project has been the most uplifting, exciting, I mean, beautiful thing to look forward to. And getting these dresses in the mail is just a wonderful reminder of celebrating life and uplifting people. And really, I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Even with like whatever difficulties I might be going through, I mean, there is a whole lot of good going on around here. And if you see me looking this way, it's because I'm looking at my calendar. The last day to actually share your pictures on Instagram is September 30th. Well, I mean, you can share pictures of all of your dresses throughout the entire year. Don't get me wrong, but the last day to have it counted towards the tally is September 30th because, I mean, I have to make a collage and get all of that stuff loaded into a video. Don't forget to let me know if you want to join in on this Sunday's sewing chat. So thank you so much, everyone, for posting your pictures. Don't forget to check out Kim Gaddy's video right over here, where she's going to be telling you all about the dresses that she made. And seriously, until next time, I hope you find joy and have a wonderful day.